If you want to create soft shading, smooth blends, or gentle digital painting effects in Krita, the soft brush is one of the best tools to start with. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use the soft brush in Krita, how to find the right preset, and how to customize it for your artwork. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Krita guides. Let's jump in. First, open Krita and make sure you're on your canvas. On the right side of the screen, you'll usually see the brush presets docker. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. You can also right-click anywhere on the canvas to open the pop-up palette, which gives you quick access to your brush tools. Now go to the search bar at the bottom of the brush presets docker. Type Airbrush or soft into the search field. This will filter the brush list and help you quickly find soft brush options without scrolling through every single preset. Once you see a brush you like, click it to select it. At this point, you can start drawing on the canvas with your soft brush. If the brush feels too large or too small, look at the top menu and adjust the brush size. You can also change the opacity from the top menu if you want lighter, more transparent strokes. Lower opacity is great for soft shadows, subtle blending, and building color slowly. For color selection, use the color selector to pick the shade you want before painting. A soft brush works especially well when you choose colors gradually and layer them little by little. That makes it easier to create smooth transitions and realistic depth. If you want even more control, press F5 on your keyboard to open the brush settings. This is where you can customize the brush in more detail. You can adjust things like brush behavior, opacity response, spacing, and other advanced settings to make the soft brush feel exactly how you want it. This is really useful if you want a softer edge, a more painterly look, or a brush that responds better to pressure from your tablet. Take a few minutes to experiment with the settings until the brush feels comfortable for your workflow. Once you've got the right preset, the right size, the right opacity, and your preferred color, you're ready to paint smoothly and confidently in Krita. Soft brushes are perfect for skin shading, background blending, glow effects, and any artwork where you want gentle transitions instead of hard edges. So that's how to use the soft brush in Krita. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more Krita tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.